the Madonna University ABSN program site in Southfield, Michigan, where you will experience the hands-on practicum of your ABSN education and apply learned skills in a real-world healthcare environment. On-site skills lab. Work with instructors to gain knowledge and skills while using high-fidelity mannequins. Here you'll put concepts learned in the online environment to practice in a skills lab. Wound care, vital signs, Foley catheter insertions, suctioning, intubation tubes, medication administration, IV insertion and administration, and more, all under the guidance of faculty. Simulation lab. Utilize state-of-the-art clinical equipment in our simulation lab to bridge the theory knowledge to practice for basic and complex nursing care within various healthcare environments. Here you will work with your peers to address various patient care scenarios. This will allow you to prioritize issues and provide nursing care to a diverse population in various healthcare settings. Conference rooms. Meet and work with faculty and peers and members to discuss and debrief concepts learned in the simulation lab. Reflect on the experience. Learn in a judgment-free environment. Student lockers. Stow personal items while you are hard at work in labs or class. The Madonna University ABSN program. Grow into a competent, compassionate, and capable nurse poised to enter the field of nursing in as few as 16 months. Visit absn.madonna.edu to schedule an appointment with an admission representative.